friends, my name is Rutvam Joshi from Porbandar. Today my project name is remote control car using Bluetooth. This is my car and this is my remote control. In car model, I have used one EV3 brake, two large motor and one medium motor. This two large motor is used to move forward and backward, and this medium motor is used to in steering mechanism. This is my remote control. In this model, I have used one EV3 brake to touch sensor. I have programmed my car in two ways. First, in two brake buttons, and second, touch sensor. In brake buttons, when I press up button, it will go forward. When I press down button, it will go backward. When I press right button, it will go right. When I press left button, it will go left. When I press center button, it will stop. Let's see how it's works. In touch sensor program, when I press both touch sensor, it will go forward. When I press right touch sensor, it will go right. When I press left touch sensor, it will go left. When both touch sensor is released, car will stop. Let's see how it works.